Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with the Daily Goodie Box, it's free to join. You create a profile, and if you're selected, you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you review the products inside on their website. You can also win a box by following them on social media, so I will have all their information and websites linked below in the description box. So this one is full of goodies as usual. First up, we have some pour over coffee. This is a base camp blend. It says oak, chocolate, and honey, and it's a medium roast. So there's 2 packets of that. Also have a Rowdy Bar. This one is a peanut dark chocolate. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. Oh, cool. I have a big thing of bath salts. All natural green goo. Love Sweet Love hibiscus. Cool. Definitely use that. Also have a box of Miracle Tree organic tea. 25 bags in there. Some moon cheese. I haven't had this flavor. This is a white cheddar with black pepper in it. Very cool. Next up, this is a hydrating hand and body cream, Violet Bouquet. And that's from South of France, Natural Body Care. And I believe this is the last one in the box. We have a Manuka Honey Sinus Cleanser. I have not heard of that. I'm interested because I do have sinus problems and I do use Sinus Spray. Pretty cool. It says it's highly processed and filtered. Interesting. 1 to 2 times a day. Cool. And then they always give you some information at the bottom and like promo codes if there are any for some of the products. So there's one for the tea, more information about them, and then one for that nasal spray. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up and see if you could win a box, I will have all the information in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.